Hey guys, this week's review preview video has us going all the way back to Monday. We actually had a 5-day week this week. So we got into Monday around halfway through Chapter 3, working through the RITP for Section 3. We did the RITP for Section 4 on Tuesday. Wednesday, we spent the day reviewing and making sure everybody had their homework done and ready to go as much as possible for the Thursday test. Thursday, we took the Chapter 3 test, but we did not end up having time to do the Chapter 4 picture walk. We had some people that took their entire hour for their test, which is their right to do, and that's fine. So today, Friday, you're supposed to be working on Chapter 4, Section 1, reading and doing the RITP for that chapter. And we will correct that on Monday when you guys come in. So make sure you get that done and you don't start off Chapter 4 behind already. It is important that we are treating these virtual Fridays as actual school days. They are actual school days. So we need to make sure that you are getting your work done. Friday isn't just a day to sleep in and not do anything, or go off and travel the world or anything on a Friday. It is still a school day, so let's make sure we get that done. Next week, on Monday, we will be looking at the essential question video, what is culture? So we're changing our essential question to what is culture. You'll read and do Section 2 of Chapter 4, and we'll probably have some time to Kahoot. Maybe have time to Kahoot. Tuesday, we'll do Section 3. We're going to take some notes and discuss Chapter 3. So those of you who are home doing remote video, expect on Tuesday to see a video coming your way. I will record one of the hours and send that out to you Tuesday afternoon. It could end up being the 7th hour that I end up recording. I try to do both, but sometimes we have technical issues and the first one doesn't go through, so it might be Tuesday afternoon before you get those notes out, or that discussion, so you can take some notes on Tuesday. Wednesday, back to an RITP for Section 4. Thursday, we will have a review day again. Make sure everybody's got their homework done, ready to go for the test. We'll do some Kahooting and Quizleting and things like that. Friday, I'm going to send you home with a Gimkit and Quizlet assignment. Not quite ready to give a test at home yet for this kind of thing, so we'll have the test the following Monday. When you come in, we'll have a Monday test. Monday tests are not my first choice. I would much rather do one on a Friday or even push it till a Tuesday, but pushing this one till Tuesday would just not work. That would give us, that'd be 3 days of class of reviewing. We just can't afford that much time, and I think you guys will do just fine on a Chapter 4 test. The thing with that is it will give you all of Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to make sure that you have all of those RITPs turned in. So on Monday, when everybody gets here, or if you're remote and you're ready to take your test Monday, everybody will have their homework done so they can take the test. Remember, especially for those of you who are remote, if you do not have your RITPs done for that chapter, so that'd be all the Chapter 4 RITPs, all the Chapter 4 homework. If you don't have those in passing, okay, you can't just hit turn in and have a no pass. You have to be passing each of the RITPs before you can take the test. Okay, we refer to those like being practice before you go to the game. So you have to have those done before you can take the test. So on Monday, the following Monday, I see everybody having that done. They've had lots of time to get it done by that point, and everybody will be taking their test and being ready to go. That Friday, by the way, obviously here is the end of the first marking period, and you want to make sure that you are passing all of your classes by the end of the first marking period. Don't forget, you have to pass now in 6th grade. You have to pass every core class. Social studies, science, math, and language arts. You have to pass them. If you don't, you either have to take a huge comprehensive exam at this semester and hope to pass it, or you take the class over again. So you really, it's a big change from 5th grade. Let's not forget it, that The difference between 5th grade and 6th grade, one of the big differences is that you actually have to pass the class. You can't just get pushed through. You can't say, don't worry about it. Grades don't count in middle school, because at this point they do. You cannot go on to 7th grade unless you pass all of your 6th grade. And I've said that lots of times. I'm just making sure everybody understands it again here, that now that we are at the end of the first marking period. So, with that being said, I will see you guys on Monday.